Okay, that's really weird. Hi everyone, it's Sandhya, your Sound Alchemist. I'm here today with the ArchAngel Power Tarot Cards. So I don't think I've ever used these with you before. So just wanted to use them today and see what variation we can bring in with different cards. And just remember, this is a safe space. And if you really want to receive the energy of the session, please say yes to receiving whatever the card brings in and receiving the sound. So if you feel open to the energy of this space, then say yes and allow yourself to work with me. And put your energy in so that we can get the card that's meant to come up for us today. And here we go. This card naturally poked itself out, and it's what we received today. So I forgot to enlarge the screen for Facebook. Apologize for that. Here we go. Page of Michael. So this card says truthful, perceptive, analytical, blunt. An exciting new challenge. You have what it takes to succeed. Review contracts or documents very thoroughly. So if you have something coming up for yourself along the ways of a new challenge, know that you're open to it and you can receive it. And it seems to have, like, I'm getting a lot of energy off of this card. So here we are. So these are what the situations represent in the guidebook that comes with the cards. And it says, an exciting new challenge is coming. And this is under situations. Life brings you something unexpected, but don't worry. You have what it takes to proceed successfully. Your intellect and ability to discern the truth are the only tools you'll need. Don't hesitate to research or ask for assistance from those with the right expertise. Business or legal contracts will need thorough review. So just know that, and you want to take that into account since Mercury will be going into retrograde soon as well in October. With people, a student of life who is continually learning something new, someone who relies on logic and reason to make his or her decisions, truthful, balanced, insightful, sometimes unpredictable. So these might be the type of people that might be coming in, or it might be you, or it might, be any energy around you. So as it concerns people. So additional meanings of this card, communicating your plans, important documents, a temporary delay. So I think even when it says temporary delay, it's kind of in the now moment, like you might feel like there needs to be a delay, but could just be the energy of the day, but it's not anything that, tomorrow can't change, right? So it says temporary. So temporary can mean just 24 hours or 2 hours, temporary is just that, temporary. So here's a look at the card again. And if any of you, if you are here and you wish to comment, I'll pull a card for you from the deck. So feel free to make a comment in Instagram or in Facebook, and I will pull a card for you. So here we are. It's Sunday. It's October 4th. I'm going to be using the Teal ZenTube, and I'm just wanting to remind you that if you're driving and operating heavy machine or operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later, because it will put you in a meditative state, and you are now in a space and place where you need to concentrate on driving or operating that heavy machinery. So do that right now and save this for later. If you have a pacemaker, just a reminder that you should not tune into the sound because it will adjust your pacemaker, and that's not good. And if you're currently pregnant, and you may want to speak to your doctors and your obstetrician and your primary care physician about sound and all of that, and tune into your own intuition, because these harmonics may or may not work well for you. So it may just be better for you to come back after you've given birth to your beautiful, wondrous baby and, do this at that time. All right. And for those of you who are staying in the container, just a reminder to say yes to me being able to work with your energy and saying yes to it and receiving it. All right. And for those of you who have said no to it, you can leave now, because listening to the sound will not, it won't really do anything for you if you don't say yes. Right? All right. Here we go. Open up your heart. Connect into your higher self, to Mother Earth and to Source. Just feel that connection. Feel yourself relaxing, your brain relaxing. Feel your endocrine system turn on. Feeling the gratitude of the heart. Allowing the love to move into your neutral zone behind your navel. And allowing it to now, this neutral, unconditional love energy, flowing to all your glands, flowing to your pituitary gland, to your pineal gland, to your thymus gland, to your adrenal glands, flowing it to all your chakras all along your spine and into your spine and into your skeleton. Into your bones. Feeling the easing of your bones, of your muscles, of your tissues. Allowing your neocortex to open up to new possibilities. Taking some deep breaths and allowing your respiratory system to now breathe in love and breathe out love. And just feeling yourself relaxing into your system of love. With love, allowing love, being love. Allowing the DHEA to be created and flowing it into your blood system and your lymph system. Allowing it to dissolve any excess hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline. And as your brain eases, the amygdala feels the flow of the ease and comfort, and it feels the release of any triggers. And the hippocampus allows you to look at your dreams. And releases any negative memories that you're willing to let go of from your past. Sending it all back to source to be transmuted. And we're just loving the flow of this beautiful love energy in our system, throughout all our cells, throughout our bodies, from the tips of our toes, soles and heels of our feet, all the way up to the tip of our head, through the neck and shoulders, into the arms, into our fingertips, and thumb tips, through the fingers and thumbs and into the hands, the wrists, the elbows, and the shoulders, filling in the torso and the front and the back and all along the spine, filling up with love and light and being and ease and comfort in the body. Knowing that this is a neutral state of being, where we love ourselves unconditionally and allow ourselves to be in the moment. I'm sovereign in my energy. I am balanced, aligned, and coherent to the neutral zone in my body. And we say thank you to Source, thank you to Mother Earth, thank you to our higher selves. Thank you to all the systems in our body and our cells working with us. Thank you to the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, elementals, our sound team, our vibration team, our frequency teams, our light teams, our energy teams, our divine spirit council, galactic teams, starseed families. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades into all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, prosperity, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhavanki. Amen. So be it. And so it is. You can start wiggling your fingers and your toes, coming back into the body. Allowing yourself to feel yourself coming back into the room. If you're lying down, please sit up slowly. When you're in a sitting position, you can move for ease and comfort any part of your body slowly to just bring some ease and comfort to the muscles that haven't been moved for a little bit, that might have stiffened. Just coming back into the body and feeling good, feeling connected to your energy, to your body. Taking some deep breaths. When you're ready, open your eyes. So this was nice because it's really cool. I mean, you guys got at least, like, I would say 10 minutes of sound here, you know. So if you said yes to it, you definitely, I think, received something really cool today. I felt like I'm just in a place of ease and comfort and grace. Like this whole weekend, I think I had been releasing a lot. So a lot of stuff just, I was doing the work, guys. I was doing the work. So I'm just feeling really good now. And I feel like I have energy to actually clean my space. So I need to vacuum, need to clean some floors, need to clean my bathroom. You know, I have the energy to actually get it done. So it feels good. I feel good, especially when I consider last weekend what that was. Don't go into the past. But, you know, I'm feeling uplifted in this moment. So I'm very grateful to be here, to have been able to produce this for you. And I hope you receive good things from it. And, so just some reminders that, you know, I do have 15-minute sessions available, 30-minute sessions if you wanted to go in deep and do some really good work. And you will receive recordings. So it's not as though we can choose a particular issue that you may want to work with, and then you can have it until it disperses, right? So as things go away, you may want to, you know, have another session and concentrate on what's coming up next. You know, there's always stuff that you can remove to bring in the good and the new, and to get more guidance, you know, from your angels. Sometimes you can't hear them because you're stuck in negative energy and it's hard to get out of that energy. So in order to move to the next step of where you want to be, sometimes you have to jump into that new version of you, and sound can get you there. Just wanted to remind you of that. And I do have other card readings. So it's not just a card pull, but you can actually get readings. And then, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with. And they're all priced well for the marketplace right now. So, you know, I think it's all under like $50. So a 10 card reading is like $30. So, you know, things like that. So come on in and give me a chance. I've been doing a lot of really good work, and a lot of people have been very happy. And I did receive a nice review from Amika, and I really do appreciate that, Amika. It's very nice of you to do that review for my Facebook page. I definitely appreciate that. So I will leave you this Sunday with good wishes. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, evening today. It was great to be with you. And I just will end it by saying all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. You are sovereign in your energy, and I am sovereign in mine. And I appreciate you being here. It's so lovely to be able to do these with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.